Are interest rates making you second guess buying a home right now? I hear this all the time, but here's the truth. Interest rates are not the main character in your home buying story. You are. Headlines love to talk about rates, but real estate decisions are almost always driven by life, not by numbers on a screen. Buying a home, especially moving up, or your first home, should be about whether your current home still fits your life. Growing family, working from home, more space, different layout, those things matter far more in the long term than today's interest rate. If you're financially prepared and your home no longer works, waiting for those rates to drop can actually cost you. So interest rate myths versus reality. Myth number one, we should wait for rates to drop. The problem with waiting is that it's a gamble. Rates move unpredictably, and while you wait, home prices and competition can change. Waiting for the perfect rate can mean missing out on the right house or paying much more later. Myth number two, higher rates make upgrading impossible. Higher rates do increase payments, but they don't tell the whole story. Your equity matters. If you're selling a home, the equity you've built can dramatically reduce how much you borrow, which often offsets higher rates. Myth number three, I'll be stuck with this rate forever. You can always refinance. You don't get to redo buying the right house, but financing can change. That's why people say, date the rate, marry the house. And if you're a first-time home buyer, this conversation can feel even heavier. So let me just say this clearly. Your first home isn't about perfection. It's about progress. And when you rent, 100% of that payment is gone every month. That's like 100% interest. So when you own, even at a higher rate, part of your payment builds equity. That equity becomes your future down payment when you're ready to move up. Rates change. Homes change your life. Your rate is temporary, but owning gives you stability and options. Most move-up buyers I work with started as a first-time buyer who decided not to wait. Let's look at real numbers. Say a home today costs $600,000 and you wait 18 months hoping for rates to drop. If that home appreciates to $660,000, you've lost $60,000 in value. And even if rates drop and you save about $2,800 in interest rate by waiting, you've missed out on that $60,000 gain in equity. Waiting often comes at a cost more often than it saves. When life changes, your home should too. And here's the part that people forget. Life does not pause for interest rates. Families grow, jobs change, parents move in, working from home becomes permanent. Staying in a home that no longer fits can affect your daily life more than a higher interest rate ever will. You can refinance a loan. You can't get back years spent cramped or uncomfortable. So really what I want you to think about is equity is your advantage, especially for move-up buyers. Your needs come first, not the market headlines. Waiting has a cost even if it feels safer. Rates can change homes and timing cannot. If you're ready, don't wait for the perfect time. So whether you're buying your first home or moving onto a one that fits your lifestyle better today, the interest rate is just one little piece of that puzzle. The bigger picture is equity, lifestyle, and long-term opportunity. So if you're thinking about making a move, I'm here to help you look at your options clearly and confidently. No pressure, just real guidance based on your goals. So don't let those interest rates or those headlines dictate your dreams. Let's focus on where you're growing next. So I just want to thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.